Foxes are like the ninjas of the animal world, agile, sneaky, and full of tricks up their sleeves. But did you know they can communicate in unexpected ways and even use hunting techniques straight out of a movie? Today, you'll discover 11 amazing facts about foxes that will leave you in awe. Subscribe to the channel and join us as we uncover these wild secrets. Foxes are more like cats than dogs. Despite being canines, foxes share several traits with felines. They have vertical pupils, just like cats, which enhances their night vision. They're also agile climbers and can even climb trees to hide or hunt, something rare among canines. Another fun fact: they hunt similarly to cats, pouncing on their prey with a quick and precise attack. They use Earth's magnetic field to hunt. This is one of the most impressive fox abilities. When hunting, especially in the snow, they perform a characteristic leap, diving headfirst to catch prey hidden beneath the surface. Studies show that most of the time, they jump at an angle of about 20 degrees toward the magnetic north, suggesting they can see Earth's magnetic field to calculate the exact distance to their target. This makes them incredibly precise hunters. They have a complex communication system. Foxes have a rich and varied way of communicating. They use sounds, body language, and even facial expressions to interact with each other. Some species have defined social hierarchies and use specific postures to show submission or dominance. Additionally, upright ears, rapidly wagging tails, and different types of barks are all part of their repertoire. Arctic foxes change color with the seasons. Can you imagine an animal that changes its outfit depending on the season? Arctic foxes do exactly that. In winter, their fur turns white, helping them blend into the snow. In summer, it becomes brown or gray, allowing them to mix into rocky environments. This ability not only keeps them hidden from predators, but also improves their hunting success. They can produce over 40 types of vocalizations. Foxes are extremely vocal. They emit more than 40 different sounds, including grunts, barks, growls, and even sounds that resemble laughter. The most impressive? They can let out a sound called a scream, which is eerily similar to a human scream, something terrifying to hear at night. This scream is often used for long-distance communication or during mating season. Foxes are extremely intelligent and know how to deceive predators. Their reputation for being clever is well-deserved. When threatened, foxes can play dead to confuse predators. Some species also bury food to eat later and even set traps to catch prey more easily. This strategic behavior is one reason they can survive in so many different environments. They have a curious relationship with humans in some cultures. In many mythologies around the world, foxes are seen as mystical beings. In Japan, for example, kitsune are foxes associated with intelligence and even supernatural powers, often considered spiritual guardians. In some European cultures, the fox symbolizes cunning and wit. And in some Native American tribes, foxes were believed to be messengers between humans and spirits. The phoenix fox really exists, and it glows in the dark. It sounds like something out of a fantasy movie, but the phoenix fox isn't just a legend. Recently, scientists discovered that some fox species have fluorescent fur that glows under ultraviolet light. This phenomenon is similar to what occurs in some types of possums and even flying squirrels. While invisible to the naked eye, this trait may play an important role in communication among individuals of the same species. They're solitary but highly social when needed. Unlike wolves, which live in packs, foxes are usually solitary. However, they know when to team up with others of their kind. Some foxes form small, temporary family groups, especially when raising their young. Additionally, mother foxes often adopt orphaned cubs from other litters, a rare behavior in the animal kingdom. They can adapt to any environment, even big cities. Can you imagine spotting a fox in your neighborhood? Well, it's happening more and more. Foxes are incredibly adaptable and can live in almost any environment, from forests and deserts to big cities. In places like London and Tokyo, for example, they've learned to survive in urban settings, exploring parks, and even feeding on leftovers left by humans. They've been trained as pets in some places. While foxes aren't domesticated like dogs and cats, Russian scientists have experimented with creating a domesticated version. For decades, researchers selectively bred the friendliest foxes, resulting in more sociable and less aggressive animals. However, Even with this selective breeding, foxes retain many wild instincts and aren't easy to keep as pets. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more amazing content like this. See you in the next video.